Have you ever wondered if you could actually pre-schedule pins using Pinterest? Well, let me show you how you can do it. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life just that little bit easier. I've already logged into my Pinterest business account, so please note this is only available on the business side. And I've clicked create and chosen to create a pin. I've already done most of the work just to make life a bit easier. So I've selected the board it's going to go into. I've done my title, I've done my text. I'm going to use an image, so I've got all of the alt text and I've also got my link site in there. All I need to do is actually go in and grab my picture. That's all that's left to do. So that's all in. And I'm just going to scroll and check that I've got all of the details that I needed in, which I have. What I need to do is here at the bottom, the default is publish immediately. I don't want to do that. Instead, I'm going to click publish at a later date. I now get the choice to pick the date. Tomorrow is absolutely fine. Let's make that 12:30 just to be a little bit different. And that's all I need to do. So I've picked the date and I've picked the time. Remember, the time is in my local time zone. Scroll back up and I'm going to click publish. That will now sort itself out, save it, and just make sure everything's fine. The pin is scheduled, so there's all the details. And if I want to, I can just click away, or I can click at the bottom right-hand corner here, see scheduled pins. That's going to be really useful when you've got several that you can schedule. And there they all are. From here, I can also choose to click, I can view it, I can edit it, and if I've made a mistake, I can also choose to delete it. So really simple to actually schedule in pins to be posted straight from the application website. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and remember to click subscribe and hit that notification bell to be told as new videos are released. I will see you next time.